Hello, welcome back to Python MCQ question answer series. In this video, we'll talk about decision making. So without wasting time, let's start. This is our first question. The question is, what will be the output after the following statement? Here in this question, you can see that we have a x variable, and if the value of x is greater than 5, then it will print 20. So here is the option A 20, option B 7, option C 5, option D x. So the correct answer will be option A. Why? Because you can see that here the value of x is 7, that is actually greater than 5, that is why it is printing 20. And if you run it in your Jupyter notebook, then it will give this output. This is a screenshot. I just taken the screenshot and attached in this slide. Go to the next question. What will be the output after the following statement? In this question, you can see that we have a variable x which have the value 8, and if the value of x is greater than 8, then it will print 20, otherwise it will print 10. So here is our option A 20, option B x, option C 10, option D 8, and the correct answer will be option C. Why? Because whenever it will check the decision x greater than 8, so here our value is x but 8 not greater than 8, that is why it will go to the else part and it will print 10. For that reason it will give output as 10. That is why the correct answer will be option C. If you'll copy and paste the code and run in the Jupyter notebook, it will give the same result. Go to the next question. What will be the output after the following statement? Here you can see that we have a variable x equal to 40, and we are checking here if x greater than 10, it will print 20, otherwise it will go to the else part and it will check again the value x is equals to 40 or not. If it is true, it will print 10, otherwise it will go to the else part and it will print 30. So here you can see that our value of x is 40. So now we'll check the options. Option A 20, option B 40, option C 10, option D 30, and here the correct answer will be option A, that is 20. And if you run the same in the Jupyter notebook, it will give 20. Why? Because here you can see that in the first check, it is checking that if x greater than 10, then print 20. So we know that here the value of x is 40, that is why it is satisfying this condition, and it is bypassed all these else if or else part, and it is printing 20. Go to the next question. What will be the output after the following statement? Here in this case, you can see that we have a value x variable. We have the value of x variable equal to 15, and in this first condition, it is checking if x greater than 15, then it will print 0. Else if it will check again x equals to 15 or not. If it is true, then it will print 1, otherwise it will print 2. So here in this case, the value of x equal to 15, please guess what it will print. So I am showing you the options here. Option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 15. The correct answer will be option B, that is 1. Why? Because whenever it is checking this condition, this will be false. X is not greater than 15, because x is exactly, the value of x is exactly 15, and after that it will go to the else part, and here this will check x equals to 15 or not, and this time it will be true. For that reason it will print 1 and it will bypass this else part. So that is why the correct answer will be option B, and if you run it in Jupyter notebook, it will give the same output. Go to the next question. What will be the output after the following statement? In this question, you can see that we have a variable x and the value of x is 5, and it is checking that x greater than 15 or not. If it is, then it will print yes, otherwise it will check again x equals to 15 or not. If it is true, then it will print equal, otherwise it will print no. So here is our options: option A 15, option B yes, option C no, option D equals, and the correct answer will be option C. Why? Because whenever it is checking x greater than 15, so this time this will be false. For this reason it will go to the next condition, x equals to 15 or not. This is also a false because x is 5, and it will go to the last condition, that is else, and this time it will print no. For that reason it will print C. It will print no, that is option C. And if you will run it in the Jupyter notebook, you will be able to see output as no. So we have completed 5 questions in this section. In the next video we will talk about more 5 questions. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.